What we do here is go back, 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 back. Perfect.
Alrighty guys, so pretty much as you guys just finished seeing, charge pipes are all locked in and loaded. They mounted perfectly fine. Did have a small issue here, but as you guys can see, it's mounted. It has free play, as all of them do here. They're supposed to have that free play, just show you that there's no binding on anything. Same thing for over here, you know. So as you can tell, it looks a lot cleaner now, especially with less transitions, less pie cuts and everything else. I wish I would have kind of did it a little bit better here, but at the end, I'm still perfectly fine the way it came out. It all kind of flows with the top now, and as you can see now, the bends look like it's all symmetrical with less pie cuts. Because the old setup, honestly, it wasn't bad, but it was just wasn't appealing to the eye, and it would have did its job still. So this is the old setup, and as you guys can see, let me know what you guys think. Is it better than the old setup, or what would you guys say? So on the next video, guys, we're probably going to go ahead and get this installed along with some other stuff that we need to get installed. I need to go to Home Depot, get the drill or the thing that we need so we can drill this out, make the hole, and get this welded up here so that way we can get this fully mounted. This is probably going to be the location that we go in, just because it's probably better for it because it's out of the way and nothing will hit it, nothing will interfere with it. And honestly, I think it looks pretty good right there. So again, hopefully on the next video we can start getting the blow-off valve installed, along with the oil return line, the oil feed line, the cooling system for the turbo setup, and also some other miscellaneous parts that we need to get installed onto the turbo. And we also need to start fabricating the rest of the dump tube and the downpipe for the exhaust setup, so that way we can pretty much finish up with the turbo. The goal is to actually start having all this done within the next 2 to 3 videos. Hopefully we can get that done so that way all that can be done as far as the turbo setup, and then we can start concentrating on the fuel cell. One thing I am waiting for is still the fuel cell to arrive. Once that arrives, then pretty much I am going to order new fuel pumps along with the fuel lines, because again, we are going on E85. I kind of wanted to do E85 and do a flex fuel, but I'm still up in the air of what I'm going to do. But pretty much we're going to go ahead and see what happens. So pretty much, guys, just to recap, what we did was pretty much just weld brand new charge pipes for the turbo setup. Again, I know it wasn't a lot of progress, but for me, I've been out here all day doing this, and it took up maybe, I've been out here since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's already probably 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've been out here for 8 hours doing this, and again, maybe people can do it faster, but this is me, and this is I just want to make sure I didn't make no mistakes and I wasn't going to regret it later on and waste any more materials, so that we can continue making progress. Well, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, guys, and if you guys did, please smash the like button and let me know what you guys think of the intercooler piping so far. So pretty much, guys, that is going to wrap it up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time, guys.